Hey, hello. This puppy was suffering in silence. His tiny body was covered with ticks, small blood sucking parasites that had made him their home. He was lying helplessly, too weak to move, too tired to even cry out for help. His ears were full of ticks, his legs, his neck, even the delicate folds of his skin were infested. When we approached him, he did not resist, he did not bark or growl. He just looked at us, almost begging with his eyes. It was a silent cry that said, "Please help me." We knew time was crucial. Ticks do not just feed on blood, they drain the life out of a body slowly day by day. His fur was thin, his skin irritated, and he looked like he had not eaten properly in days. We grabbed our tools, a small metal tweezer, something usually used to remove tiny hair, and began to delicate process. One by one, we pulled the ticks out of his skin. Some came out easily, others were buried deep, holding on tightly. Every time we removed one, we dropped it into a plate of chemical solution, making sure it would not crawl back or harm any other animal again. It was a slow, detailed job requiring full focus and patience. We started with his ears. The tick had gathered in clusters, hiding inside the folds. His ear twisted as we worked, but he remained still. Maybe he trusted us, maybe he was just too tired to fight, but in his silence there was cooperation. From his ears, we moved to his neck, another place where ticks love to hide. Some of them had swollen up full of blood, others were freshly attached. Each tick pulled out felt like we were giving him back a piece of his life. We continued down to his legs, his paws were dirty, rough, and cracked. Even their ticks were attached between in his toes. Carefully, we separated the fur and removed them one at a time. It was heartbreaking to see how much this tiny creature had injured alone unnoticed. His body was frail and we could see his bones under the skin. His eyes were tired, but with every tick removed, we started noticing a slight change, a sense of relief, of softness in his gaze. It's as if he finally knew someone cared. Throughout the process, we kept talking to him softly, letting him know he was safe now that we were not there to hurt him. At times, he closed his eyes, perhaps resting for the first time in days, perhaps trusting us more with each passing second. When we finally finished removing the last tick, we took a step back and looked at his small wounded body. The plate was filled with these parasites, dozens of them, all pulled from one helpless puppy. Each tick in that plate was a reminder of how much pain this tiny soul had been crying in silence. Some were still moving in the chemical solution, others swollen with blood, lifeless now. We checked his ears again, ran our fingers gently through his fur to make sure no ticks were left behind. Even the smallest one could start the cycle again. His skin had red marks, tiny wounds where the ticks had been attached for days. We knew the battle was not over, but at least we had won this fight. For him and for every animal still suffering quietly somewhere, this was a moment of relief. If this rescue touched your heart, please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, follow our journey on Facebook, and stay connected with behind the scene moment on TikTok. Your one click can help us reach more helpless animals and give them the care they deserve.